Ooh, this is so good. It is kind of like fruity jasmine attar. Very, very lovely attar. Today I have a special attar which has some very unique ingredients or very old ingredients in it. Tonkin musks, Cambodian oud oil, and some of the treasures of Sultan Qaboos. This is Almahera from Ensar Oud. Sultan Qaboos stored many precious and very rare perfume ingredients, oud oils and musks from different regions of the world, and he was crazy about perfume oils. He died in 2021. May his soul rest in peace. And so today I have an attar from Ensar Oud which is called Almahera. Almahera is an island which has some rare oud wood production from there. So let's test this out and see how this attar actually smells like. So this is Almahera from Ensar Oud, and I am going to apply it on my wrist over here because I have no space left. Thank God it doesn't spill. So let's find out how it actually smells. Oh, this is really great combination of jasmine, oud and musk. I am sniffing a very lovely jasmine note. This is called Ensar said on his website that it is an aged jasmine. Ooh, this is so good. It is kind of like fruity jasmine attar. Very lovely attar. Mostly I don't like most of Ensar Oud attars or blends, but this one is very lovely. Ooh, this is a great I would say very lovely and perfect scent for wearing maybe on a marriage ceremony. This is a great one for women. The jasmine over here is kind of like turned to fruity notes and spiky kind of tangy, spiky and fruity kind of note creating over here. Maybe it's oud oil or musk. I know that jasmine plays very well with musk. If you I had an attar from Rai Munir Musafir trio, and it was called musk jasmine, and it was a very lovely. I added some of the oud oil in it, and these three ingredients, they produce magic. If you want to sniff an attar or perfume oil that has very lovely uplifting kind of effect, and these are the three ingredients: oud, musk and jasmine. Now jasmine is overpowering over here for me. Sometimes when I sniff jasmine I get headache. It should be very balanced. It should be in low quantity in an attar, then I can bear it. Otherwise jasmine itself is very powerful perfume oil. Pure jasmine, it will spread. If you put one drop on your skin, it is going to spread in the whole room. So it is very powerful, just like some of the rose oils like Taif and Bulgarian rose oils. If you try to use rose absolute directly on your skin, it is going to be very powerful, and it is going to spread in the whole room instantly. So whenever you use rose oils or pure jasmine oils, try to use them in very small or little quantities on your skin, or in any others. If you're trying to create a mix of oud and rose, then just in 3 ml oud oil I would put like 1 or 2 drops of Taif rose absolute. Okay, so that is all. This is my review about Almahera Attar or blend from Ensar Oud. Sweet, jasmine, fruity, airy, mysterious kind of scent, and I would suggest it for women. For me, I would not wear it because for me too much jasmine is I don't like wearing jasmine too much, or very floral heavy attars or perfumes. So that is all. I hope you have enjoyed this review of Almahera Attar from Ensar Oud. I will meet you in another video. So I'm going to say you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and Allah Hafiz. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.